Here's a 2017 Dodge Journey. This Journey can take you anywhere the road leads, and it can fit anything you need for the ride. And it comes with all the amenities you need: multi-speed automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, doors and push button start proximity key, streaming audio, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and V6 engine. The Car Connection notes the ride quality remains a strong point with a proper damping and roll control for a family vehicle. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.